Hey, Myra here with Vacation Rental Authority at the 11th Street Beach Cottage. Here to check out the progress. It's my favorite portion of a project when you got a fridge in the front yard. So let's check out the inside. It looks totally different. All right, fridge is gone from in here. And we have a nice clean space to start working with. Awesome, first bedroom upstairs. Progress is being made. Light fixture, mirror, everything is gone from here, but it looks like we've made some really good progress over here. Getting prepped up to tile. This is going to be a gorgeous stand-up shower. And look, we get a little spring breeze. We'll head outside in a few minutes. Looks like we're protecting that fireplace there. Definitely want to keep all of that original charm intact. Biggest changes we're seeing is down here in the basement. It looks like we've had a little bit of structural change as far as where the walls are going. So we've got some patch over here. So this space right here is going to be a nice little cozy downstairs. And then we have a passageway through here. Got some fresh floor, so I'm going to be very careful. And then we come on in here to the bathroom. All right, let's head outside. One of the biggest changes we have going on is in the backyard. I don't know if you've seen any of the videos lately on Facebook. If not, check them out. But we have this beautiful patio has gone in over here. We have a nice clean slate. Lawn's going in soon. The cool thing about this patio as well is we've got this gorgeous fire pit. It's gonna have this beautiful little broken glass inside. It's gonna sparkle at night. And then accompanied by those lights we were talking about that are coming out here. And of course, the lit up water feature at night. So it's gonna be really nice. Things are coming along. All right, thanks for catching up with us at the Beach Cottage. I'll be back with more soon.